Good day, guys. Welcome back. Now, let's take a look at GBPUSD for the day. So, before you go, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Now, quick analysis. Take a look at this GBPUSD. Take a look at this movement, right? We all can see that this is clearly a bullish move, and I've included this moving average, which is on a no 10-period moving average. You can see that the price is above 10-period moving average. Now, take a look at this recent movement that has been made. Yesterday, we actually closed the bearish, right? Today, take a look at this movement. We are on a bearish move. So is this bearish move over? Definitely will not. Will actually still continue to drop. This is the London section, by the way. So it depends on where you're watching it. By New York section, we will see at that bearish move. So GBP to our USD, I want us to still see a bearish move. Even Monday self, if Monday markets opens, we would actually still get to that bearish. So daily time frame, if you take a look at this, this is a bearish move, right? Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. So clearly we can see that this is the movement that has been made on the 4-hour time frame. Our price is below the 10-period moving average. So we would want to take the trade on the 4-hour time frame, because that is the best time to actually take trade. So what we clearly can see that this is a bearish move. So there's only one movement we should be watching out for, which is bearish. So look for a way to short it. And since the price is below the 10-period moving average, then we have to short it. So we can see this as a bearish move. I will take this as a correction that came to our moving average. Now we are expecting another bearish move. So maybe once this price gets to this level here, as you can see, we would see a reaction at this level by giving us a pullback. We all know that price do react at a certain level. Once price gets to a level that it has reacted to previously, if it gets to that level again, it will definitely react again. So we saw that price came to this level. We saw when it's roll up, we saw this drop, right? So now we saw this breakout of it. Price came to test this level. Now we are seeing this price dropping. So we are going to see it drop down to this level. Maybe then we would now see this kind of a bullish move, kind of like a pullback. So if you are watching it early enough, you should be able to take the trade. And if you're not, maybe you should actually subscribe. Click on that subscribe so you get quick and daily updates. So maybe once this price, we still have at least, that is about 90 pips to go. So if you can grab 50 pips bearish move, I think that is okay. So we still have about 90 pips drop to be made before we see kind of a pullback here. So we still have a drop. And the reason why we would be seeing this drop is that let's see our USD index. So this is the daily time frame on our USD index, right? Let's zoom it in. We saw that this price has once dropped to this level, right? We saw that price once came to this level, right? It gave us a pullback, right? Once price broke above it, it came down, it tested this level, right? Price went up, right? It's rejected yet multiple times, like 1, 2, double top, right? Now price now dropped to this level. We are all expecting it to go bullish, but will I say fortunately or unfortunately, we kind of had a little breakout, kind of like a false breakout. We all know it mostly happened on the USD PS, try to take out a lot of traders that are going, long, though it is to go long, but kind of give us a false breakout. Now that it has hit this level, what do you think we should have this kind of a movement? We would want to see it roll up to a level of 111. We are currently trading at 110, right? We would want to see it roll up to a level of at least 111.410. So from here to here, we still have about 94 pips bullish move to be made. So you can see the correlation of this GBP to our USD. This GBP to USD, we have about 90 plus pips to be made. Here we have a bullish move of about 90 pips. So that is why I said once we have this bullish move that has given us about 90 pips, then a drop would be made. And then we will now have this bullish move on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD shot it to this level of 1.14280. So around level of 1.14280, we should be able to grab our take profits.